song. Let's hope right.
A, B, C, D, T, F, G.
Let's sing the letters day long. Sing the letters all day long.
A is for apple, red and shiny and sweet. It's my favorite healthy treat. The busy little bee, flying high for all to see. B is for bee, yes it is. Oh, the dog loves to run and play, bringing his bone out every day. F is for fish, swimming in the sea.
H is for hat, on my head so fine.
I is for ice cream, cold and sweet. Woohoo! Look how high I am! I'm going even higher. L is for lion, proud and bold.
K is for kite, flying in the sky.
Look at this trick, everyone.
Wow, look at him swing! He caught the banana!
Look how cute they are. The little bird brought them leaves.
O is for octopus, with arms that dance. R is for rainbow, lighting the sky. Whee! This is so fun! Look how fast we're going! U is for umbrella, in the rain.
W is for whale, big and blue.
Woohoo! Yeah! That was amazing! Great job! Z is for zebra, stripes so neat.